Cotton swabs, or as known in the UK, cotton buds, or more commonly by their brand name, Q-tips, not only helpful around the house, but we use them in bike maintenance. Here's some tips and hacks that may help you. Use a cotton swab to clean hard-to-reach spots. Put a little rubbing alcohol on the swab. Cleaning up parts before reassembly. Let's take our Q-tip, a little pointy, dip it in some isopropyl alcohol so we can get some of that dirt from inside. Also, don't forget the bolt holes. A lot of creaking sound coming from the handlebars. Leave the stem attached to the fork, but remove the clamp. Go ahead and clean it. You can either use your cotton swab and alcohol. Don't forget the bolt holes. And then, after you wipe it dry and let the alcohol evaporate, take something such as fiber grip and apply it to the surfaces of the clamp that are in contact with the handlebars. Now we're ready to reinstall the bolts and clamp. In this case, the manufacturer calls for Loctite blue. Be sure to torque them to specifications. Zipper keeps getting stuck. Take a cotton swab, put a little silicone grease, such as this O-ring silicone grease, but any silicone grease will work. Go ahead and rub it on the zipper itself. Now it works fine. Corrosion, the grainy deposits caused by battery acid leaks on your remote controls, flashlight, or other devices. For an easy DIY method, dip a Q-tip in a solution of equal parts white vinegar and water and swirl it around the corrosion deposits. Let the battery compartment dry completely before inserting the new batteries. Just a few added tips. Want to improve the connection of your charging port on your phone? Make a slight point on the end of the Q-tip. Dip it in a little bit, just a tiny amount of rubbing alcohol, and clean off the charging port. Just a tiny drop of alcohol on the end of your cotton swab. Great way to clean up your computer keyboard. Please don't use the cotton swabs in your ears. I'm speaking as a physician. If you have other ideas, suggestions on how to use cotton swabs for bicycle use, please comment below. Subscribe to keep up with our latest videos. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed. Safe cycling.